तो आज हम करने वाले ह्यूमन कंप्यूटर इंटरेक्शन का एमसीक्यू, जो कि आपके कल पेपर में आने वाला। चलो वीडियो शो लास्ट बिगिन। तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच सेंसरी चैनल इज प्राइमरली एसोसिएटेड विद द इनपुट आउटपुट मॉडलिटी ऑफ ए व्यूइंग ग्राफिकल इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑन ए कंप्यूटर सिस्टम। इसमें से ऐसा कौन सा कंप्यूटर सिस्टम है जो व्यूइंग ग्राफिकल इन्फॉर्मेशन दिखाता है? इसका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? विजुअल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, विच टाइप ऑफ आउटपुट input channel is characterized by the perception of sound and is commonly used for providing auditory feedback in computer। auditory feedback किससे मिलता है? हमें hearing से। The input output channel related to the physical interaction with the touch screen or touch pad on a device referred to as touch। इसका राइट आंसर क्या होगा? टच। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, in the context of spatial input output, which term is associated with the three-dimensional position and movement of output device? इसका क्या आ जाएगा आंसर? एंगल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, what does SI stand for? ह्यूमन कंप्यूटर इंटरेक्शन। ऑप्शन नंबर डी, सॉरी मैं गलती से लगा दी, इस पास क्या आ जाएगा? ह्यूमन कंप्यूटर इंटरेक्शन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, what is the primary purpose of the requirement gathering and analysis phase in the software life cycle? तो इसका क्या जाएगा? डिफाइनिंग एंड डॉक्यूमेंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर रिक्वायरमेंट है। प्राइमरी पर्पस क्या होता है? डिफाइनिंग करना और डॉक्यूमेंट करना सॉफ्टवेयर रिक्वायरमेंट को, ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, विच सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट मॉडल फॉलोज ए सिक्वेंशियल एंड लीनियर। और पूछे आपके पेपर में इसमें से कौन सा ऐसा मॉडल है जो फॉलो करता है सिक्वेंशियल और लीनियर अप्रोच को? विद ईच फेज डिपेंड ऑन द कंपिलेशन ऑफ द प्रीवियस वन। तो वाटरफॉल मॉडल, ठीक है, सिक्वेंशियल लीनियर अप्रोच। What is the main goal of the testing phase in the software life cycle? इसका कारण क्या आ जाएगा? आइडेंटिफाइंग फिक्स्ड डिफेक्ट, जो कि हमने पहले कर लिया था। विच सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट अगर सीक्वेंशियल लीनियर पूछा जाता है वाटरफॉल, अगर नहीं पूछे वो अडेप्टेबिलिटी पूछे, कोलैबोरेशन पूछे, कस्टमर फीडबैक के बारे में पूछे थ्रू आउट द डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस, इसका राइट आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? एगली, एगली, AGILE। Question number 10, in the context of the software life cycle, what does SDLC stand for? Sequential development and life cycle। Question number 11, what is the primary objective of evaluation in software engineering? Primary objective क्या होता है evaluation software engineering का? इंश्योर करना सॉफ्टवेयर क्वालिटी को और इफेक्टिव, इंश्योरिंग सॉफ्टवेयर क्वालिटी एंड इफेक्टिवनेस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, What does evaluation seek to achieve considering software development? इसमें से कौन सा evaluation है जो अचीव करता है सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट के कंसर्न को? तो इसका क्या है? कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस मूवमेंट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, what is a significant advantage of using about evaluation in software assessment? तो क्या करना? ऑफर देना, offering specialized insights and recommendation। Question number 14, what is the primary focus in expert evaluation during software assessment? तो क्या आ जाएगा? leveraging specialized knowledge and leveraging करना specialized knowledge और experience। Question number 15, which evaluation method is focused on gathering real-time insights into user interaction with software? Contextual inquiry। Question number 16, in the context of interacting cognitive subsystem, what does the term perceptual processor primarily focus on? sensory input interpretation में focus करता है। Question number 17, which cognitive subsystem is responsible for higher level cognitive functions such as planning and problem solving? इसका right answer क्या होगा? cognitive processor। Question number 18, according to the interacting cognitive subsystem model, what is the primary role of motor processor? क्या होता है? इनिशिएटिंग करना फिजिकल एक्शन को, ठीक है। प्राइमरी रोल क्या होता है मोटर प्रोसेसर का? इनिशिएटिंग फिजिकल एक्शन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, what is the key characteristic of the emotional process in the interacting cognitive subsystem model? तो इसका राइट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? हैंडलिंग इमोशनल रिस्पॉन्सेस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, how do interacting cognitive subsystem contribute to understanding human in interactive systems? राइट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा इसका? by oscillating cognitive process for analysis। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, what is the key ethical consideration in user data collection for SCI application? तो राइट आंसर क्या होगा? बी, प्राइवेटाइज यूजर कंसेंट, प्राइवेसी एंड सिक्योर डाटा हैंडलिंग। प्राइवेटाइज करना यूजर कंसेंट को और प्राइवेसी एंड सिक्योर डाटा हैंडलिंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, why is addressing biases in algorithms and interfaces important in SCI ethics? इसका मतलब क्या है? biases can lead to discrimination and unfair treatment। Question number 23, what does informed consent mean in the context of SCI? obtaining user permission after data collection. How does the principle of accessibility contribute to ethical SCI practice? It ensures that technologies are usable by diverse areas. Question number 25. What is the role of transparency in ethical SCI? Providing clear or open communication about system operation and intention. Question number 26. What is a cognitive process discussed in the context of SCI? Cognitive process काम क्या होता है? Problem solving. Which topic is integral part of SCI? Interaction design. Dash start with vibration in the ear or sound waves. Hearing. Which of the following is the main physical receptor for vision? Eyes. SI stand for human computer interaction. Which one of these is the key front end aspect of interaction design in SCI? इसका क्या जाएगा? Style. In which domains SCI has implemented with great importance? D. All of the above. Question number 33. Dash is the reaction to the level of light. Dash level of light के लिए क्या है? Brightness. Question number 34. In the SCI context, what does processing मतलब input output channel. Question number 35. Which term refers to the sophistication of technology in SCI paradigms? Echoic memory exists for ओरल स्टिमुली. हैप्टिक मेमोरी देखो, इकोइक मेमोरी किस लिए एग्जिस्ट करता है? ओरल स्टिमुली के लिए, और हैप्टिक मेमोरी टच के लिए. इकोइक मेमोरी ओरल स्टिमुली के लिए और हैप्टिक मेमोरी टच के लिए. आइकनिक मेमोरी विजुअल के लिए, विजुअल स्टिमुली. क्वेश्चन नंबर 39. नेटवर्किंग इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ व्हाट कंपोनेंट इन द से आपको पता कंप्यूटर का पार्ट है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 40. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नोन फॉर रिस्पॉन्ड टू प्रेशर? मैग्नो रिसेप्टर्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 41. Which of the following is known for respond to intense pressure, heat and pain? Noise specters. Question number 42. Which of the following is known for respond to heat and cold? Thermoreceptor. Question number 43. Which of the following is the step of software life cycle development? D. All of them answer. Question number 44. During software life cycle, what kind of design is vital? During software life cycle, what kind of design vital? Iterative design and prototyping. Question number 45. Dash is the method in the development of software and system usability engineering. Question number 46. What play a critical role in software usability and efficiency? Iterative design and prototyping. क्या है इसका राइट आंसर? Iterative design and prototyping. Question number 47. What is a significant aspect of the software life cycle related to SCI usability engineering? Question number 48. Process of evaluating prototypes, either paper based or software tool to check whether that they are expectable and is there a need of improvement is known as formative evaluation. क्या आएगा इसका आंसर? Formative evaluation. अगर पूछ लिया प्रोसेसिंग ऑफ इवेल्युएटिंग प्रोसेस आइदर पेपर बेस्ड ऑन सॉफ्टवेयर टूल, तो इसका आ जाएगा फॉर्मेटिव एवेल्युएशन. What approach emphasize system design based on user task center system design? Question number 50. Upon which factor are golden rule and heuristic based for user interface design? Translate design rules. Question number 15. What serve as the foundation for user interface design? तो इसका आंसर क्या जाएगा? डिजाइन रूल्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 52. Which of the following are the process of design? तो क्या जाएगा? Analysis, design, implemented and display. All of them answer. Question number 53. How many golden rule of interface by Steinman के लिए द्वारा 8 है, नॉर्मन के द्वारा 7 है. What do golden rule in UI design ensure SCI effectiveness? How many principles for transforming difficult tasks into simple one was stated by Norman? 7. What term is given to a commonly used design approach in system engineering? तो पूछा कि कौन सा ऐसा डिज़ाइन है जो अप्रोच करता है सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग को? तो SCI पैटर्न. क्वेश्चन नंबर 57. टेस्ट ऑफ एवेल्युएशन इज डन 25 फॉल्ट के द्वारा इसको डन करते हैं. Test of evaluation is done 25 fold. Question number 58. What kind of interface are speech interface characterized by graphical user interface? Question number 59. Ubiquitous computing often makes use of small wireless device known as servers. Question number 60. Which of the following computing technology permits human interaction away from a single workstation? Ubiquitous computing. Research framework is based on both of the mentioned strong literature survey case study. Question number 62. Which interface allows human to communicate with computers using their voice speech interfaces? Question number 63. What term describes a computer technology that integrated with the human environment? Ubiquitous computing. Question number 64. What is an essential component of speech interface? Essential component क्या है? Voice recognition. और speech interface की बात करेगा तो voice recognition. Question number 65. Dash help to find the meaning of data and explanation. Inform the meaning of data. वही exploration. Question number 66. What do you call the discipline focused on the graphical representation of data? Information visualization. Question number 67. Which of the following is the example of speech interface? Google is सब all of the above. Google Assistant भी है, Alexa भी है, Siri भी है. Question number 68. Which of the following is the application names for OBI CAM के लिए कौन सा? Context aware computing. Question number 69. इंफॉर्मेशन विजुलाइजेशन इज स्पेशली हैंडी फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन विजुलाइजेशन किसके लिए स्पेशली है? डिसीजन मेकिंग के लिए, डिसीजन लेने के लिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. व्हाट आर द एप्लीकेशन चैलेंज फेस्ड बाय यूबी कैम? क्या चेंज करता है? ऑल ऑफ द मेंशन एप्लीकेबिलिटी मैट्रिक्स स्केल एम्बिग्यूटी ऑल ऑफ देम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 71. द एनवायरमेंट डिजाइन फॉर यूबिक्यूटस कंप्यूटिंग इज एंटिसिपेटेड टू बी, क्या जाएगा इसका आंसर? इंटेलिजेंट एंड रिस्पॉन्सिव. Question number 72. Which quality is the least important for speech recognition interfaces? क्या जाएगा इसका? कलर recognition. कलर recognition. Noise cancellation पर कलर recognition. Question number 73. GPS based car navigation system is an example of, इसका example है context aware computing का. Question number 74. What kind of signal is used in speech recognition? Acoustic signal. Question number. मेन प्रॉपर्टी कितनी होती है यूबीकॉम के यूजर ने? जो 3 प्रॉपर्टी होते हैं. लेयर आई इज ऑलवेज एट द बॉटम ऑफ यूबिक्यूटस कंप्यूटिंग स्टैक. फिजिकल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 76. इन वर्चुअल रियलिटी विच ऑफ द सेंसेस कैन नॉट करंटली बी पोर्ट्रेड? स्मेल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 77. विच ऑफ दीज फिल्म्स यूज फ्यूचरिस्टिक माइनॉरिटी रिपोर्ट? कहाँ गया वो? यही थे. Which of these films used futuristic SCI minority report? Which color is often associated with trust and reliability in web design? आंसर क्या जाएगा इसका? Blue. The name of the color is called हुई है. GOMS stand for goal operation method selection rules.
मेरा आज स्कूल में आया था, मैंने देखा नहीं.
Which method is more prominent for user? Tag. Which is one of the most important stakeholder from the following? Which was one of the most important stakeholder? कौन सा है इसके लिए? यूजर ऑफ द सॉफ्टवेयर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 83. बाय यूजिंग कैपिटलाइज वर्ड रीडिंग स्पीड एंड एक्यूरेसी डिक्लाइन कर देता है इसको. कैपिटलाइज वर्ड करता है इसको डिक्लाइन हो जाएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 84. डैश इज द पैटर्न फॉर कीपिंग ट्रैक ऑफ सिलेक्शन एज इट स्पैन्स मल्टीपल पेजेस कलेक्टेड सिलेक्शन. मोबाइल क्लाउडी कंप्यूटर वही आ जाएगा आपका. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. स्टेक होल्डर आर क्लासिफाइड इनटू प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी टर्सरी फैसिलिटिंग. Question number 87. The usability engineering role 3 phases expect implementation. Question number 88. Design is defined as achieving goal within constraint. Question number 89. What kind of information will not be directly considered in evaluation through users mechanical design specification? Question number 19. What is an essential element in choosing an evaluation method analysis? इसमें कौन सा ऐसा मेथड होगा? Context of use. Question number 91. What are the different approaches to test the system using users? Empirical or experiment methods, observation method, query techniques, all of the methods. तो इसका राइट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? All of the methods. Question number 92. Who can be involved in evaluation through experts in human computer interaction, specialists in HCI? Question number 93. What are the distinct evaluation style performed under laboratory condition, conducted in the work environment, in the field? Both of them answer. Question number 94. Which aspect is least likely to be the focus when conducted on HCI evaluation? Color design improvement. What factor do experts consider while evaluation HCI? usability principle. Question number 96. Dash the prediction of outcome experiment. Hypothesis. Dash is a method for structuring the critic queue of a system using a set of relatively simple and general heuristics. वो आएगा heuristic evaluation. Question number 98. Dash the prediction the time taken by the user to perform low level physical activities. GUMS model. Question number 99. What are the various forms of question? Multi choice scalar. All of them answered. Question number 100. Which entity is not directly involved in the human computer interaction process? Programming framework. Question number 101. What are the different type of evaluation through monitoring physiological responses, physiological measurement? When is evaluation through users in SCI least effective? When expert opinions are more critical. जो expert opinions क्या हो जाए more critical. Dash allowed to study के लिए क्या आएगा field study. Question number 104. What scenario least requires choosing an SCI evaluation method during electrical engineering design. Question number 105 है. In heuristic evaluation, evaluator can provide severity rating on a scale of 0 से 4 तक रेटिंग देते हैं. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. रिप्रेजेंट ह्यूमन मोटर स्किल. वही ह्यूरिस्टिक हायरार्किकल मॉडल. Which form of media combines different types of data such as text, audio and video? इसका आंसर क्या है? मल्टीमीडिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 108. Dash determines the knowledge of user regarding object and action involved in the task. A task decomposition. In the context of World Wide Web interaction, which model could not be significant? इसका आंसर क्या होगा? इंटरेक्शन मॉडल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 110. Breaking a task into subtasks for better cognitive analysis align with which concept? Task composition. Which tool is typically used to represent concept used within display based system in human computer interaction? Standard formula. क्या होगा इसका आंसर? स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मलाइजेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 112. Dash perform perceptual and motor processes similar to human to complete the task. Cognitive model. 113. Dash represent grammar of user system. Linguistic model. Dash is an object-based approach and focus on identifying objects and actors, relation between them and action performed by them. Knowledge-based analysis. Which of the following is an example of physical and device model? GUMS. TAKD the task analysis for knowledge description. In model and theory of SCI challenge, which of the following denotes a topic of concern? Virtuality, reality, hardware. The statement part of dial-up notation and semantic in SCI primarily deals with what expert meaning. Question number 119. What is an interactive digital document that can context text links with a text called hypertext to classify specific details in user interaction? Which of the following will be most useful? Dialogue notation and semantic. Question number 121. In TDH, task description hierarchy taxonomy object is present exactly in one branch known as JOR. 112 इसका आंसर होगा. What is the primary goal of human computer interaction? To enhance user experience and usability. Question number 123. Which the following is not a principle of universal design? Complexity in interaction. Question number 124. What is a prototype in software development? A working model used for testing and feedback. Question number 125. Which the following is a key benefit of prototyping in software engineering? Improves user feedback and refinement. Question number 126. What is the primary objective of usability engineering? To improve user satisfaction and ease use. Question number 127. With the following is the key characteristic of user-centered design? Users are involved throughout the design process. Question number 128. What is the purpose of the golden rule in interface design? To create user-friendly and intuitive designs. Question number 129. Which is the following example of heuristic used in interface design? Minimize user memory load. What is the primary goal of evaluation? Is to identify usability. Which method of evaluation involves usability experts reviewing expert evaluation? Which evaluation method relies on direct feedback from user evaluation?